20. Okay, it is given 45. Same way, more than or equal to 30. More than this or equal to this 30. Okay. So it is given 41. Then again more than or equal to 40. It is 38. Next more than or equal to 50. It is 35. More than or equal to 60. It is 31. Then more than or equal to 70. It is 24. More than or equal to 80. It is 15. And more than or equal to 90. It is 8. So they've given like this. More than equal to 0, it is 53. More than 0 means everything will come, correct? More than that means everything total, it is 53 now. Understood? Total, it will be 53 then. Next comes the more than or equal to 10. More than 10, it is 48. And more than 0, it is 53. So from 0 to 10, how much will be the number? 5. That difference. See, more than 0 means everything will include. That is 53. Then more than 10. That is until 0 to 9, that we have left over. We have left it. More than 10, it is 48. Okay. So from 0 to 10. Okay. From 0 to 10, it will be 53 minus 48. So it is 5. Okay. Class interval and the frequency here. Next, more than 20, it is 45. More than 10, it is 48. So 10 to 20, it will be difference between these two. 10 to 20. So it is 3. Okay. More than 20, 45. More than 30, it is 41. So 20 to 30, it is 45 minus 41. It is 4. Next. More than 30, 41. More than 40, 38. Clearly the difference from 30 to 40. So here it is 3. Then this is done, right? Now 40 to 50. The difference is what? 3. Okay. Then 50 to 60. So difference will be 4. Then 60 to 70. Difference is 7. Then 70 to 80. Then 80 to 90. 7. Okay, more than 90 means whatever it will come. So if you have to take it as 90 to 100 because all 10 we are taking, no? So take it as 90 to 100, it is 8. And sometimes I have seen they give the problems like that. Not always, but sometimes they give. The same median problem they are giving in a different way. That's it. Okay. So if you feel difficult, more than or equal to is there, just remember C. How much difference is there? 10, 10 difference is there. Class interval size will be 10. And take these two difference. Last one, take it as it is. Okay, mugging up, you can do that at least. Huh? Understanding also you would have done, no? You can do it. Decreasing. And total will be 53. Here. Okay, total will be 53. So n is equal to 53 or n by 2 will be 53 by 2. Total. More than 0 means everything will come. That is here, no total. You add everything and check, you will get 53. Like that. Okay. You have to find the median. So what you have to do, you have to calculate the CF value. So it is 5 5 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 4, 12. 12 plus 3, 15. 15 plus 3, 18. 18 plus 4, 22. 24 plus 7, 9. 29 plus 9, 38. Na? 38 plus 7, 45. And 45 plus 8, 53. Okay, so n by 2 is 26.5, more than 26.5. Netra, which is the median class here? Hmm? Median means what? How many times I'm telling, keep on telling her, why you people are doing mistake? 26.7. Ah, see, median means first thing, remember in mind, first you will calculate CF column. In the CF column, more than n by 2. More than n by 2 is what? 29. So that column is the median class. And if you do mistake in the first step, median class, if you do wrong, he will, for 5 mark, he will give 1 mark for the formula. That's it. Not more than that. Okay. Again, I repeat, see, first median means you have to calculate CF. In the CF column, n by 2 is 26.5. More than 26.5 in the CF column, select. So, 29. So, this will be the median. Now, calculate median. Median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H. So L, I think correct. Now also remember, you have selected 60 to 70 is the median class. No, the answer will come within that. 60 to 70 only it will come. Okay. Netra, tell me what is L value here? N by 2? 5. Okay. CF value? Good. Earlier than this. So it is CF is this. F value, that is 7. H? Good. So substitute the values. Understood how to take median class? Here I are getting. This is example question. Page number 192. Just I want to do that more than or equal to. I think two ways only will come, less than or more than that. Yesterday we did less than, no? No. Calculate and tell me, Kiara, how much you will get? And Rita, calculate and tell me how much you will get. Done, no? For the same thing, calculate more. For the same thing, calculate more and tell me how much you will get. Modal class. You should leave the CF column. Don't worry about that. Only the frequency column. The highest frequency which is there, that is the modal. Mean method. Okay. So class interval. You have the frequency. Now CF column, it is useful only for the median. No need for mode and mean. You have to forget that column for mean and median. Okay. So take the frequency now. 0 to 10. It is 5. 10 to 20. 3. 20 to 30, 4. 30 to 40, 3. 40 to 50, 3. 50 to 60, 4. Then 60 to 70, 7. 70 to 80, 9. And 80 to 90, 7. 90 to 100, 8. Okay. So to calculate the mean means we are actually calculating the average value. Okay, we are actually calculating the average value. CIF. So first we will take the XI column. Okay, in direct method also we had calculated XI column. Here also we will calculate the XI column. So XI means what? Average of these two. That is 10 plus 0. Upper limit plus the lower limit by 2. 10 plus 0 by 2 is what? 5. Then 20 plus 10, 30. 30 by 2, 15. Then 20 plus 30 plus 20, 50. 50 by 2, 25. Then 40 plus 30, 70. 70 by 2, 35. Next, 45. Correct. 55. Next one will be 65, 75, 85, 90. Okay. Next is this is the extra column what we are doing for the assume mean method. Okay. First listen, then you write. I'm not. Okay, worked out. Now we have DI. DI is the extra column what we are doing for the assume mean method. What is DI? DI is Xi minus A. Okay, you have to select the one middle number here. You can select 45 only. Okay, you can take 45 or 55, anything you can take. Okay. Now Xi minus A, this is the Xi value, first value. 5 minus 45, how much you will get? Minus 40. Then 15 minus 45, 30. So it is minus 30 because this is a smaller number is plus, bigger number is minus. That's why. Then 25 minus 45. So 20. Then 35 minus 45 minus 10. Okay. So from every number you have to subtract A. Now Xi is A only. Okay. 45 minus 45 is 0. Then now Xi is 55. 55 minus 45, 10. Then 65 minus 45, 20. 75 minus 45, 30. Then 85 minus 45, 40. 95 minus 45, 50. Okay, so this is the DI column. Next is DI into FI. Earlier what we used to do, FI into XI, no? Now we are doing DI into FI. Here DI value is less when compared to this, right? It will be easier to multiply. DI into FI will be how much? 5 into 40. So it is minus 200. Then 3 3s are 9, minus 90. Here minus 20 into 4, minus 80. Minus 10 into 3, minus 30. 0 into 3, 0. 10 into 4, 40. 20 into 7, 7 2s are 14, so 140. No, 9 into 3, no? 270. Okay, 7 4s are 28, 280. 8 into 5. Okay, so mean value will be equal to sigma. I will write A first. A plus what we have assumed, no, A plus sigma Fi into Di by sigma Fi. Sigma means sum. So Fi into Di, you have to add them. So add the negative numbers separately, positive numbers separately. So how much you will get? 200, 90, 80, 30. Na? 400 you will get. Okay. So this is minus 400. If you add everything here, 400, 280, 270, 140, 40. 12, 60, 60. 1130, right? So this is a positive number. So then do the subtraction. 1130, 730. Okay. So this is plus and this is minus, so it is plus. So sigma Fi into Di is 730. What about sigma Fi? 53, I think, no? Adding everything. Same question, right? Yeah. Adding all these frequency, it is 53. Now, mean will be equal to A is 45 plus sigma Fi into Di 730 divided by 50. So divide this, whatever answer you will get, add with the 45. I think 15 something you may get. Threes, I think. 13 you will get. 13 points of 7 you will get. 13.7. So mean is equal to 45 plus 13.7. So mean is equal to 58.7. The daily expenditure, the daily expenditure of 100 families are given below. Calculate F1 and F2 if the mean daily expenditure is rupees 188. So 140 to 160, it is 5. 160 to 180, 25. 180 to 200 F1, 200 to 220 F2, 220 to 245. Okay. So you have to calculate the missing frequency. They have already given the mean value, that is 188 for this data. But you have to calculate the two missing frequency. Whenever you have two unknowns, then you need two equations to solve that. Okay. So whenever there is two unknowns, they will give total of all these frequency. Frequency is what? Count of people or count of plants, something like that. So this will be the frequency. So sum of all this they will always give whenever there is two missing frequency. Okay. So if you add everything, he has given it is 100 families. So add them, how much you will get? 25 plus 5, it is 30. 30 plus 5, 35. 35 plus F2 plus F1. Huh. So 35 plus F1 plus F2, it is equal to 100. Or F1 plus F2 is equal to 100 minus 35. This 35 I am shifting to the other side. So F1 plus F2, how much you will get? 65. So this is the first equation. Okay, so this is the first equation. I would have written this side, I think. Written 1 minute, I'll write this side. Table I can write. So we got F1 plus F2 is equal to 65, first equation. Now number of families, it is sum, it is 100. Okay. So what, first calculate the xi. We know the mean value from that formula. You have to calculate you have to find the other equation. So xi will be what? 140 plus 160 by 2. That is 150 you will get in between number. Here it is 170, 190, 10, 230. This is xi value. Okay, direct mean method only we will use here. Xi we got. Then we have xi into fi. Okay, so xi into fi, 150 into 15, 750. Okay, 170 into 25. 520. 5,000. You get more. 7. 4,250 you will get. Correct? Okay. Next one. 190 into F1. That is 190 F1. Okay. 210 into F2, 210 into F2. We'll write it as it is. Now 230 into 5, how much you will get? 150. Okay. So what is mean value? Mean is equal to a direct mean method, sigma fi into di by sigma fi. Okay. So mean value he has given, that is 188. Sigma fi into di, how much we will get? Sorry. Sigma fi into xi by sigma fi. If you add everything, how much you will get? 4250 plus 750. 7150 plus 190. Correct? How much you will get? Sigma fi into xi? 7? Okay. Plus 190 f1 plus 210 f2. Okay. So this is sigma fi into xi. Sigma fi is what? 100. Now, yeah. How much you are getting? Okay, we'll add and see. Okay. 6150. You are getting 8, 9, 10, 11. 6150. Okay, this is 6. 6150 plus 190 f1 plus 210 f2. Now f1 plus f2 is what? 65. So I can write f1 is equal to 65 minus f2. Substitute that. What you will get? 6150 plus 190 into f1. F1 I can write it as 65 minus f2 plus 210 into f2. Instead of 1, 2 variables, I am trying to make it 1. So f1 I can write it as 65 minus f2. So instead of f1, I will write 65 minus f2 here. So we'll get 6150 plus 190 into 65. 12350. Getting. What you people are getting the answer? So then 190 into F2. So plus into minus 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 190 into F2 plus 210 into F2. You will have. Okay. Add these two now. 12350 plus 6150. 18,500. Okay. And here, listen here, F2 same variable, no? Just the coefficient you do the subtraction. 210 minus 190, it is 20. So plus 220 into F. This is sigma Fi into Xi. Now substitute that into the mean, you will get the F2. Sigma Fi into Xi is equal to 18,500 plus 20 F2. Okay, so mean is equal to sigma Fi into Xi by sigma Fi. Mean value it is 188. That is equal to 18,500 plus 20 F2 by sigma Fi, that is 100. Okay, so whenever it goes to the other side, division will become multiplication. So you will get 18,800 when you multiply. That is equal to 18,500 plus 20 F. Transpose here, you will get 18,800 minus 18,500, 300. That is equal to 20 F2. Or F2 is equal to 300 by 20. So F2 you are getting 15. F1 plus F2 is 65. So how much we got? 50. F1. Okay. So F1 is equal to 65 minus 15. So F1 is equal to missing frequencies in the following frequency distribution table. If n is equal to 100 and median is 32, and this is an exam question, 2013. Okay. Marks and here number of students. Marks 0 to 10, 10 here, 10 to 20, X, 20 to 30, 25, 30 to 40, 30, 40 to 50, Y, 50 to 60, it is 10. And total they have given it is 100. So with the median formula, you have to substitute and then find. So one equation, how we can get, adding all the plus x plus y should be equal to 100. So how much you will get here? 30 plus 10, 40, 40 plus 10, 50, 60, 70, 75. So 75 plus x plus y is equal to 100. X plus y is equal to 25. The first equation. Okay. So to calculate median, what we will do? We will take the CF value. CF is what? Adding the frequency. So first one, it is 10. First listen, you can write afterwards. Okay, if you have doubt. 10 plus x is 10 plus x here. Then 10 plus 25 is what? 35. 35 plus x. 35 plus 30, 65. 65 plus x. Then 65 plus x plus y. Here 65 plus 10, 75. 75 plus x plus y. Huh. Now, which is the median class? Listen here, x and y we don't know. To take from the CF. So, whenever the median they have already given, you have to select from this column. Median value, it is 32. That means median will be between 30 to 40. So, this is the median class. Okay, always remember that when they've already given the median value, you have to take the from the this column class interval. So from 30 to 40 will be the median class. Okay, so median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H. Now we selected the median class. L will be what? Lower limit. So 30. N by 2 will be 100 by 2. So n by 2 is 50. CF will be, yeah, earlier than this 35 plus 6. And F is the frequency of the median class. So that is 30. And H is the class size 10 minus 0. It is 10. Okay. Now substitute. Median is what? 32. That is equal to L is 30 plus n by 2 is 50 minus of 35 plus x. Minus is there for both. Okay. F is 30. H is 10. Since it is multiplication here, these two are multiplication, I can cancel. Now 32. Don't do that. 32 is equal to 30 plus 50 minus 35. Minus 6. No, it is not plus. Divided by 3. 50 minus 35 is 15. 15 minus x by 3. So 32 is equal to 30 plus, how much is that? 15 minus 6 by 3. Since, see, these 30 plus something is there, so you can shift it to the other side. It will not become division, it will become subtraction because 30 plus something is there, right? 30 minus 32 minus 30, it will be 2. Okay, so that is equal to 15 minus x by 3. 3 into 2 is 6. Is 15 minus x. Now minus x shift to here, 6 to the other side. So minus x will become plus x. That is 15 minus 6. So x will be equal to 9. Now x plus y, it is 25. So y is equal to 25 minus 9. Y is equal to 60. Okay. Then after this, there is a relationship between median, mode and the mean. Okay, that is 3 times median will be equal to mode plus 2 times the mean. 3 times the median is equal to mode plus 2 times the mean. Okay, this is the relation between median, mode, and mean. So 1 mark question, sometimes they give the any two of that, you have to find the other one. Okay, so this is a relation between median, mode, and mean. So MCQs, what they will ask, they will give any two, they will ask the other one to find.